Hello, another video about premises and identification mm, and relevance. So we can observe this in how feminism approaches social issues, but also in other contexts. And I've been playing around with this for a while now, but I finally may have arrived at some ideas that may reveal and be useful in noticing the flaws. So, one of the core premises of feminism is that because one is a woman, they know best what's most relevant for them. Because one is a woman, they know best what they need most. Right? But sometimes we don't know ourselves what we need, isn't it? Sometimes we are just simply unaware of what's actually best for us, what's actually most relevant for us. Another example of this is alcoholic or drug addicts. If you say that the best people to know what they need is the people concerned, right? So it would mean that in order to best solve people's problem, you need to ask them, what do you need? But if you ask an alcoholic, what do you need? Are they not going to tell you more alcohol? If you ask a drug addict what they need, aren't going to tell you more drug? Isn't it? So, in this case, do the people concerned really know what they really need most for their well-being? Because in the short term, yes, they might find joy or some relief in having the thing that they want or the thing that they think they need. But in the long term, it mostly damages their well-being, isn't it? So, of course, it's not always the case. But what I'm saying is, what I'm trying to reveal is that sometimes we do not know ourselves what is best and most relevant for us. And whenever we take decisions for groups especially, it's most crucial at scale because it affects so many people. So it seems essential to take this into account when we take decisions. And not just say, because one is concerned, they are perfectly aware of everything they need. Because that's a huge danger and a dangerous misconception. And by the way, it also applies in many other contexts. If you say, because someone is an expert, they know best what's necessary or what's most relevant in a given area or field. But similarly, even with the most competent experts, sometimes they themselves are not aware of what's most relevant. And that's why collaborative work is necessary, because many people cooperating together on an issue allows the group to notice what each other is not aware of. So that way, people become aware of what is more relevant than what they used to think, and then out of the group, the actual most relevant solutions can be selected. And the bigger the collaboration, the higher the chance of avoiding um, lack of awareness. Yeah, so I hope that makes sense. And thank you for listening.